What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best soldering station 2022 that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research. If you would like to see more details on these products and the updated prices, please check out the description below and be sure to subscribe to get more reviews. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 5. This Mary's 65-watt soldering iron kit is fairly simple to use. That's why it may be the best fit for starters who want a back-to-basics soldering station. In truth, I only need to plug it into the outlet, turn the switch on, set my desired temperature, and lock it. It also has an LED temperature display with interchangeable Celsius and Fahrenheit units, allowing for precise work temperature settings. Furthermore, this unit comes with 5 solder tips, allowing me to choose the exact one for my work. The extra tips include a pointed tip for fine soldering work and a broad tip for soldering wire-to-wire joints. The certifications from FCC, CE, and RoHS for this unit ensure that this product is safe to use. Additionally, this unit's anti-static design protects users and work projects from potentially hazardous static discharges. This feature gives me some peace of mind, knowing that I can rely on a top-quality tool. Number 4. The Xtronic 3020 XTS solder iron station is a good option for those who experience back pain during soldering work. Such can be the case when it comes to the small circuit board projects that require close concentration. The unique thing about this product is that it has 2 clamps that allow you to position your work to your liking, keeping you seated upright. This station comes inclusive of a work mat for loose project components and flux for keeping your soldering tip free of debris. Additionally, the 40-inch soldering cord has enough length for most work tables. Its robust and flexible cable prevents tangles and damage to the unit's wiring. It's also perfect for easily managing the cable and keeping it out of the way. The automatic sleep function minimizes fire risks and prevents tool damage, even when you forget to switch off the device. The mode will activate upon reaching a 10-minute no-usage time. Number 3. WLC100 is one of my favorite soldering stations for light soldering work. This set is a lightweight and quality product for general soldering projects. In fact, it comes with a soldering station, copper tee, iron holder, and cleaning pad for convenient use. In truth, its ergonomic foam grip is comfortable to hold and easy to manipulate, especially in detailed and intricate applications. It boosts my productivity since I don't feel any hand fatigue while using this unit. The variable temperature knob is very helpful for getting accurate settings. Using temperature control, I can set working temperatures of up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit. It allows for wide-range precision control for optimal heating when using flux core or lead-free solder. Another good thing about this item is its replaceable heating element. It guarantees that this soldering station was built to last. In fact, this device is listed by UL to ensure good quality and safety features after testing. Number 2. I prefer the Welding W1010NA soldering station for high-temperature soldering. It has a maximum temperature of 900 degrees Fahrenheit, ideal for the lead-free solder commonly used on electronic devices. Its power is about 40% higher than standard pieces, ensuring good efficiency for busy workers. Furthermore, its soldering iron features a silicone cable that resists heat for safe use. The quality lightweight pencil-type design coupled with the ergonomic handle gives me the confidence and comfort to take on a full plate of projects. On the other side, I use its password protection features to save the temperature settings that I mostly use. I also love this soldering station's intuitive layout and temperature controls, including the accessible on and off switch in its front. I can quickly turn the tool on and off as needed, unlike other products with backside switches. This soldering station only needs bare hands when changing the tips compared to others that need screws or any soldering tool. It also means that I can change tips quickly, even outside the workshop as long as the device has cooled down. Number 1. HAKO offers one of the most premium soldering stations available on Amazon. Instead of providing obsolete accessories, it comes only with the necessary items. The HAKO FX888D23 by Soldering Station is in the first position in this article as it is quite easy to use. It comes with a digital screen that shows you the temperature. And you also get a stand with a metal shaving pad and a sponge for cleaning. This soldering station offers a temperature range of 120 degrees Fahrenheit to 900 degrees Fahrenheit and consumes up to 70 watts of power. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.